Okay. So everyone, start working on your worksheet. Read all the words given in the box. Then there are clues. Then you go through the clues and then you try to fit them. Okay, which is very easy because I gave you uh, school days. So here, see, if I say what I've tried to write is like, it's a way of expressing. So it was like SCHOOL. Then so it's like school days. Okay. So when you read it, it's like school days. Okay. But otherwise it is like DAZE. DAZE. So this is how it is. Start doing. You don't have more than 5 minutes for this. Not even 5. You should complete it very quickly. In 2 minutes, I will start asking. Okay, so just start and no cheating. Okay, because these hints are already there. So it becomes easier for you to identify the word, but don't do it. Think about it and yes. Think about it and do it. Butler, I can hear a lot of noise from Butler. Lot of noise, lot of Okay, now. So here we come for the first word. We come for the first word. A college is an example of. A college is an example of. Okay, Confucius. Middle row, second last bench. There's a boy who raised his hand. Yes. Yes, please come. You're the first one to raise. Emerson is here. Where is Butler vanished? Butler, I can't see you.
Ma'am, institution.
It's institution. Okay? Institution. So institution. How should I do it? Like, let me do it this way. Let me. This is the first one. Okay. So here we are, institution. What else can be an institution? Okay. School and college are examples of institution. Anything else that can be an example of an institution? Yes, Confucius. I can see a hand raised, a girl at the back. What else can be an institution?
Ma'am, academy.
Yeah. So anywhere where you go for a particular learning activity, sports like, academies and institutions like, dance plays, all these where you can go some, and where like, even charitable institutions are there where charity people do charity. Okay. All these are institutes. So institute is a place where you go to learn, or there are other activities also. Okay. Like charitable institutions, it's a charitable institution. It is run by a charitable, जहाँ पे charity करते हैं लोग, they give money and they in turn do different kind of activities. Okay, so institution is not only school and college. There are so many different things to it. Now, a way of staying fit. Who will come and tell me what it is? Okay, Confucius again. This class is really happy today to answer all the questions. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I mean, exercise.
Okay, yes, it's exercise. And always pay attention to what I say, the way I say, okay? Exercise. Exercise. Okay. Okay. Now, now there is not only one meaning to exercise. One is like, when we are doing our moving our hands, our body, we are doing particular things like, they are physical exercise. There's another meaning to exercise. Can anyone tell me what is exercise in other ways in English? How you use it? Yes, Confucius, there's a girl who's raised her hand. Please come, beta. In how can we use in another way exercise?
Ma'am, warm up.
Warm up exercises, okay, yes, but they are all these kind of exercises are like, they are all associated with physical activity, but we use this word with other things also. Yes, yes, Confucius, there's a girl sitting in the first bench on my left. She has raised her hand. There's a girl or a boy, I don't know, I can only see the hand. Yes, please come. Okay, sorry. Yes. How do you, what is your,
Something
yes,
practice. Practice.
very good. Okay, now there's another word, and now exercise your rights. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना अपने rights को exercise your rights. This is your right, so exercise it, like use them or know about them, have an awareness. So exercise your rights, your duties, all these things. Then at the end of the like grammar exercise or some other exercise, these kind of things are there. So this is how we use this in not only in physical exercise, like just a PT exercises are there, physical training exercises, yoga is an exercise, kind of like some mental exercise, okay, some physical exercises, and then you have different kind of the way you execute or you do certain things. That is also exercise. Very good. Okay. Butler, please don't make noise, beta. Your class is making too much noise, and I want your camera control also. Yes. Please adjust your camera. and no noise. Okay, thank you, bachas. Then next one, add something to improve. When you add something to improve, okay. Here I think so a little bit. Yes. Again, Confucius. What happened to other classes? Aravindo, very good, very good. On my left, last bench. Aja beta. Yes.
Accomplish.
Accomplish. Now see, whenever there are two, I think so, I have told this, but this is just to refresh everything in your mind. Whenever there are two consonants together, like, oh, sorry. See, this is a, okay. So whenever there are two consonants together, you always break the word like this. Okay. So it will be accomplish, accomplish. Okay. So this is how you will pronounce accomplish. ACCOMPLISH, accomplish. Yes. So this is how you will use this word, and this is how you will cut the word. Okay. Like we have happy. Okay. We have happy. Now two consonants are here together. So the word is broken into half. This is how. Like, you can always clap and see happy. Okay. So then put it together, happy. So this is how you are going to do it. So accomplish. Now, what is the meaning of accomplish? A sense of accomplishment. What does accomplish literally mean? Can anyone come and explain? What is accomplish? Okay, there's a boy in Emerson who's coming out. Very good. Thank you, Bacha. How do you explain accomplish? What is it? What is accomplish? When you achieve something, okay? Supposing you were given a project, okay? You did a lot of research on that project, and then you completed that project all by yourself, and the project, like the end result was amazing. I can use like, big words like stupendous or something like that. So like, it was very good. The outcome was really very good. So what happened? You had a sense of accomplishment. You felt accomplished. This is how you will use this word. Okay. Only just knowing, everybody has to pay attention to this. We almost know, like all of us know almost more than 10,000 words. शायद उससे भी ज़्यादा, like, probably I might know more than that. Like, I'm sure you also guys know, but there are 2,000 or 3,000 words which we use very regularly. And so the words which we use very regularly are our active vocabulary. So probably you will say, yeah, I know this word accomplish, but I don't know how to use it because you have not used it. Okay. And probably after some time, you might even forget the word. If you never use it, it will become a very passive, a kind of a vocabulary for you. You will come across, you'll say, yeah, I know this word, but I've never used it. So this is an example I'm trying to give you. So to use more words, you have to use a variety of words so that you make your English better and better. Okay. You should know a lot of words for one. Like good के लिए आपको 4 words होने चाहिए, which good can be replaced by these 4 words. Okay. Brave के लिए you should know at least 3-4 words so that brave, you not say every time, you don't sound repetitive. Oh, he's brave, he's courageous, he's like, dauntless, he's this, he's that. Like, so many words can be used. Okay. Something like that. Yeah. So the third one is accomplish. Fourth is driving force behind our actions. Driving force behind our actions. Anyone in any other? Yes, Butler. I saw a hand, hesitant hand raised. Yes, the child on my left. I think so, second or third bench in the aisle seat. Middle row, sorry, middle row. Third bench, I think so. Yes, please come forward, beta. Don't hesitate. You have to give up hesitation. Learners don't hesitate. People who hesitate, they never learn well. Don't hesitate. And यहाँ पर एग्जाम नहीं हो रहा आपका. Driving force.
Motivation.
Very good. A motivation. Motivation. Okay. So everybody, how many of you got this correct? I'm sure everybody. Was this answer right for everyone? Yes, I know. It was motivation. So something that motivates you. And a kind of motivation that comes from within. What do you call it? आपका दिल करता है कि मैं ये कर लूं, मैं बास्केटबॉल की टीम ज्वाइन कर लूं, आई हैव टू डू इट, या मैं आर्ट कंपटीशन में पार्ट ले लूं. नोबडी इज टेलिंग यू, बट यू वांट टू डू. व्हाट डू यू कॉल दैट काइंड ऑफ मोटिवेशन? It's your internal motivation or you're self-motivated. And self-motivation is very good. Okay. So this is motivation. Excellent. Request for admittance. Request for admittance. When you want to be admitted into a place, in an academy or in a university or in a school or anywhere, you have a request. Okay. So what do you call it? Okay, Confucius. A lot of children have raised their hands. Okay, the child in the middle row on the aisle seat on this side. Please do come. The boy, I think so, in the second last bench. Okay. Yes, please do come. Your answer?
Ma'am, application.
Very good. Now see, I told you when two are there, so it was like, oh, sorry. It is like very good. The answer is absolutely app. So it is like you will cut like this, application. Application. So when you put together application, okay. So this is how you are going to pronounce. This is the right way to pronounce. And so application. Here, what is this application? क्या होता है application? क्या करते हो? Like what is it? Can anyone come and explain it to me? What is an application? Ajo bachche, don't hesitate at all. Yes, anyone who would like to come and tell me? सबको पता है application क्या है. आप क्या करते हो? You fill an application. Okay? आपको उसमें सारी details, your personal details, your qualifications, like, you know, if you want to join a university, okay, your marks you secured, everything is filled in that. Okay, so all this is an application and you apply which field you want to major in, what you want to do, everything is given in that. It's like your kind of a biodata kind of a thing, and the requirements of the school, obviously, according to the requirements of the school, you fill in your application. Now, there is another way in which you use this word. What is that application? See, when you learn about science or when you learn about maths, okay, or you learn about English, when you apply it to something, you apply your brain on something. आपने पढ़ा के right angles. What is a right angle? And you do geometry. And you come and you see the corner of this room. You see the corner, okay, I'll see the corner of, and you say, oh, this is a right angle. This is a right angle. This is 90 degrees. Here they cut. This is practically you're watching it. This is application. You're applying your brain. You're applying what you learned. That is even more important than understanding concepts. When you can apply the concepts, okay, in real life situations, big or small, to solve small or big things. So that is application. Okay. So that is another way in which you use this, that when you apply. Descartes. I can see these two boys arguing non-stop and most of the children are talking. Ma'am or sir, whoever is present, please take charge. Descartes. Okay. Next one. Seek advice. Seek advice. Okay, Confucius, on my right, I can see a hand raised. Yes. And I can see a hand raised. I think so. Second bench. Yeah. Please come. Please come forward. Emerson, you're being lazy today. No one interested in answering my questions. Okay, Confucius. Yes. What is the answer?
Consult.
Yes, it's consult. Okay, when you consult, like you seek advice from someone, you take, like, मैं क्या करूं? Like, even if you are in a situation, you take consultation. Yeah, you know how many consultants are there? They will advise you on business proposals. People will advise you on your admission. They will even nowadays we have these consultants who, like, monitor your marks and your, like, likings and dislikes and stuff like that. And then they then they give you a result that you should go in the science field or the arts field or educational consultants. Okay, they even give you, like, different kind of things. They will show you different subjects, like new subjects which have been on the university list, and how to get into it, and all these things. Okay, next. Foundation. Sorry, I answered the question. Groundwork. Groundwork. Okay. Anyone? Arabindo, I can see a hand raised. Groundwork. Middle row. Middle row or Descartes. Middle row, first bench. Descartes, middle row, first bench. The boy who was in perpetual argument. Please come forward and answer this question. Hello? Instead of putting your head down. I'm asking you. I'm asking both of you to come out. Both of you come out. One of you will answer my question, groundwork, and the second will answer my question, connect to with. Please come. Because all your energy has gone into arguing. So groundwork. See, you had paid no attention to what is being done in the class. That's why you don't know what to say. Anybody else would like to answer this? Okay, Confucius, any child who wants to answer, I can see hands raised. Please come. Both the boys on my left. Yes, second bench. Yes, both of you come. One of you can answer question 7 and one of you can answer question 8. And Descartes, you both go back to your seats. And the first 2 answers of the next question will be given by you two. The first 2 answers of the next question will be given by you two. Okay? Yes. Please come forward and answer question 7 and question 8. Groundwork.
Foundation.
Very good. The foundation. Okay. Now see the foundation of a building. The foundation of your character. The foundation of your personality. So it is not only used for concrete things, it is also used for other things. Like, what is the foundation of your character? How you've been taught moral concepts and all things, and how you perceive it, and how you integrate it into your system. That is how. Okay. Now, next one. 8th one, connect with.
Interact.
Yes. Interact. Interact. Okay. So it is interaction is between your school friends. You talk to people, with your family. Okay. Even with your environment. Okay. Even we interact with our environment. Okay. We interact with greenery. अगर हमारे घर के आसपास कचरा पड़ा होता है हमारा, like, we feel not good. So it is our environment, and sometimes we learn so many things. So you interact with so many things. Social interaction with your friends, family, with everything, and then with your environment, how you interact with your environment. Okay, we learn so much from our environment also. So environment ka matlab ye nahi ki climate is also a major part, but how things are in your societal setup. Okay, how things are in your societal setup, society जैसे है आपकी, then आपके जैसे वहाँ पे क्या क्या चीजें हैं, like what is available and everything. So this is how you do. Then next is make more meaningful. Make something more meaningful. So how do you do? What is the word used here? You're making something more meaningful. Yes, who will answer this? Emerson, anyone interested in answering? Emerson, the boy sitting on the last bench, please come. Emerson, the boy on my right, your left, sitting on the last bench, please come. Yes, sweetheart, I'm calling you out. Emerson, anyone else who's interested in answering? Yes. Confucius, yes, there's a boy in the middle row who raised his hand. Okay, do come, please come.
Maximize.
Very good. Maximize. So you can maximize the output. Okay. So you can say I worked so methodically that I maximize the output. Okay. So minimized input and maximized output. Sometimes even on your laptop or your desktop, you maximize things zoom them and use minimize things. So these terms can be used for multiple things. And they have different meanings also. Next is enhance. When you enhance something, make it better. So yes, Descartes, I can see hand raised. Please come. You are on my right. My right, your left. Yes. Yes, Bachya, you are in the middle of the row somewhere. Please give your answer. Descartes. Could you please answer, beta? Okay, I can't hear you. I'm not sure if you're answering. Anyone? Beta, you are not answering. I could not hear you. I'm sorry. Anybody else would like to answer this question? Okay, so that's the last one. Enrich. You enrich. You enrich your environment. You enrich your understanding. You enrich your skills. You make them better. You make them better. So this is how. Enrichment classes, like making things much more better. So I don't know if you have enrichment classes in school, like children who are already very good, they will they are given extra coaching so that they become the perfect, achieve perfection. Okay, now go to the next page, page 2 at the back side, and quickly finish this so that we can discuss it. Quick. I want all of you to finish it very quickly. Read the sentences and carefully answer. Complete them. And the first 2 questions will be done by the boys in the Descartes room. In the middle row, the first 2 boys. The first 2 answers will come from them. Okay. You will read the complete sentence. You will not just give me monosyllables like one answer. That's not that. Okay, come on. Start. Yes, Descartes. The boy, first boy, he will read out the whole sentence with the answer. Come on. I can't hear you. What's going on? Could you please? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Yes, yes, now I can hear you. Yes, please. Read out the whole sentence with the answer. What makes you take so long? I'm sorry, I can't hear anything. You're just wasting time. I don't understand what's going on. Ma'am, could you please help them? Okay, anyone else would like to come? Alejandro? The girl sitting in the middle row, both the girls come for the first two answers and read out the whole sentence. And I'll call you both some other time. Yes, the girl sitting on the first bench, middle row. Please come out with the first two answers.
Ma'am, excuse me. And the first answer is accomplish. Accomplish. If you carry out a task, you accomplish it.
Yes, you accomplish it. Very good. Next one.
You fill out an application when you apply to a school.
Yes, when you are applying to a school, you fill out an application. Okay, very good. Anyone from Aristotle? Anyone from Aristotle who will come for the next two? I want two children to come for the next two in Aristotle. Please come forward. Aristotle, middle row, second bench. Both the children come out with the answers. Third and fourth. Aristotle, middle row, second bench. Please come out. Whenever you read out the whole sentence, whenever you have a problem, you consult a teacher for advice. Very good. Next one.
Reading good books not only add to your understanding of human nature but also enrich your soul.
Very good. Excellent. Next two. Fifth and sixth. I want someone from Butler. Okay. On my right, in the Butler classroom, on my right, the boy sitting on the first bench. The two boys sitting on the first bench. Please come forward. Aja jaldi. Come with your answers. Fifth and sixth. Quick. Both the boys, one is going to answer the fifth one, the other one is going to answer the sixth one. Excellent. Daydreaming in the class.
Ma'am, discipline, ma'am. गलत चीज मिली थी मैम एप्लीकेशन
Yes. Thank you. We don't even know where we are. Okay, go sleep back. Next. Fifth and sixth. I want Confucius because this class was very enthusiastic. I want 1, 2 answers. 5th one, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10. I want 6 children to come out and answer. Aja, Confucius. I want 6 children to come and answer each question. Aja beta, the girl who's raised her hand on my right, the boys who want to come and answer, please come out. Aja, sare aja, one by one, give your answers and go back. Why has that girl not come? On my right, your left. Okay. Come on. Yes, boy. Yes, quick answer. Read out. Read out the whole sentence, Riche. You can start from the foundation of human character. Yes. Start reading from here.
The foundation of human character is primarily based on parental influence, home environment, school environment, and culture.
Very good. Okay. Next one. Thank you, Beta. Next one.
A school is not only an educational institution, but also a place to socialize and interact.
Okay. Next.
It is extremely important for the student to cooperate with the teacher and each other.
Better we have to use the same word. So it is interact here. Okay, next.
Try to enrich or make your time at school.
Try to
Enrich.
enrich. Here, I think so, but say it will be maximize. Okay. You enrich yourself, but we cannot enrich time. So thank you for answering. That's very nice. Try to maximize or make the most of your time at school. Next. Next, who will answer? You can only answer, Bache. The girl who just answered. Or someone else who would like to answer?
Self-study.
Self-motivation, because you have to use the same answers. Yeah. So self-study is also very good, but because I asked you to use the same answer, self-motivation is best as it eases a lot of pressure and makes it easier to achieve one's goals. Okay. So I once again request all of you to make this a part of your active vocabulary. Please, when you talk amongst yourself, use these words. For a day or two, you can go through the words, then you can, when you interact with each other, try to use these words, assimilate them in your regular conversations, and so that they become a part of your active vocabulary. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Enjoy yourself. Yes.